So, what is Club One exactly? Club One is the engine that drives the ASEA One compensation plan. It runs on a simple rhythm: share, mentor, build, repeat. And every time you do those behaviors, Club One rewards you. Today, you'll learn how Club One works, how jumpstart cycles unlock extra income, and how the rhythm you build in your first 90 days sets you up for predictable, recurring income through every stage of ASEA One. Let's get started. Club One runs in repeatable 4-week cycles, aligned with the ASEA commission calendar, so everyone in the field moves together. You earn Club One points every time you enroll a new customer or brand partner, mentor someone you enrolled, or build by helping someone reach a new rank. And those points create progress in your ASEA One journey. There are 2 achievement levels in Club One. You earn 8 points and achieve Club One. Earn 15 points and you achieve Club One Plus. And here's how you earn those points. You earn share points by bringing new people into your business. You earn 4 points when you enroll a new brand partner with at least 100 PV. You earn 3 points when you enroll a customer with a 50 PV subscription, and 2 points when you enroll a customer with a one-time 50 PV order. Earn 1 point when you upgrade any customer to a brand partner. Mentor points are earned by helping people you sponsor get started the right way. You earn 5 points when you mentor a personally sponsored brand partner to qualify for Club One for the first time. You earn 3 points when they hit Club One in their second and third cycle. Build points are earned by helping your team reach their first key milestone. You earn 8 points when you help a personally sponsored brand partner reach Director 300 for the first time. And you earn 7 more points when you help them qualify for the Director 300 bonus. Achieving Club One in every cycle is how you grow your volume, stabilize your income, and stay on track in every stage of the ASEA One compensation plan. But the magic happens in your first 3 cycles, your jumpstart cycles. Your very first jumpstart cycle includes the remainder of the current ASEA cycle and the next full 4-week cycle, so you always get a full runway when you join. Now let's break down the rewards cycle by cycle. Cycle 1, earn 8 or more points and you receive a $50 jumpstart bonus and unlock 30% fast start bonus for your next cycle. Earn 15 or more points to achieve Club One Plus and receive everything from Club One plus an additional $50 bonus. Cycle 2. Achieve Club One and you earn a $75 jumpstart bonus and unlock a 30% fast start bonus for your next cycle. Achieving Club One Plus adds another $50 bonus. Cycle 3. Achieve Club One and you earn a $100 bonus and unlock a 30% fast start bonus for your next cycle. If you achieve Club One Plus, you unlock double optimized team commissions for your next cycle, a major accelerator in your ASEA One journey. After your jumpstart cycles, Club One guides your business building rhythm. Every cycle you achieve Club One, you earn Redox reward points and renew your 10% referral code for the next 3 cycles. When you achieve Club One Plus, you earn all the Club One rewards plus double optimized team commissions on your next cycle. To help you always know where you stand, your Club One page shows your progress in real time. Club One is not just a program, it's the engine, a blueprint for anyone to follow. And when your whole team follows it, your business grows. The rhythm stays the same: share, mentor, build, repeat. Let Club One power your entire ASEA One journey.